In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up unsubscribe list in Mailjet. Managing unsubscribes well keeps your emails compliant and your audience happy. So let's walk through how to control exactly what happens when someone clicks that unsubscribe link. Mailjet gives you a central place to do this with the Unsubscribe Page Manager. Start by opening your Mailjet dashboard and heading to Content, then Unsubscribe Page. This is where you decide the experience your contacts will have when they opt out. You'll see three main choices. The first is the default unsubscribe page. This is a straightforward confirmation page that does the job without any extra design work. It's ideal if you just want a clean, simple opt-out with minimal setup. Next is the custom unsubscribe page. Choose this if you want the page to reflect your brand's look and feel. Keeping the design consistent can reduce confusion and reassure subscribers that they're still interacting with you. Consider using clear, friendly language that confirms the change and lets people know what they can expect going forward, such as how long it may take for changes to apply. The third option is the Preference Center. This lets subscribers choose what to keep and what to remove, such as specific lists or topics. It's great for reducing total opt-outs because people can narrow their preferences instead of leaving entirely. Make your list names and topics easy to understand so subscribers can make confident choices. Mailjet automatically inserts an unsubscribe link into marketing emails you send with the editor. You don't need to add it yourself unless you're building emails with custom HTML. If you do use custom code, be sure the link is present so every recipient has a clear way to opt out. It's important to understand how unsubscribes behave. When someone unsubscribes, they're removed from sends for that specific list. If you have multiple lists and want a global opt-out across all of them, you can manage this through your Preference Center setup or handle it manually, depending on your workflow. You can also tailor what people see after they click unsubscribe using the Unsubscribe Page Manager or the Preference Center. A clear success message, a brief note about what changed, and optional links back to your site can make the experience smooth and respectful. Finally, keep an eye on your data. You can view and export unsubscribe information from your campaign analytics, and you can manage unsubscribes from the contacts area when you need to review individual statuses. That's it. Set up your unsubscribe experience once, and Mailjet will handle it consistently across your sends.